Hello. Good evening, guys. Happy Friday. Hang on, let me drink some water. Okay, hi guys. New goofy. Exactly. Okay, hi Yuri. Hi Yuning. Hello, Kaiwan. And hi Isabel. Hey, where's the other one? Okay, so where were we? I think we have finished our acid and alkali, have we? Have we? We have finished our neutralization, Okay, we have finished this, So yeah, some exercise remaining. I'll give you the answer for this. Let's finish our exercise. Okay, question 5. Let's go to question 5. What's a mystery snail? Is that the name of the snail or is it just really a mystery snail? Oh, that's his name, right? Okay. What's the mystery behind it? Why is the guy so mystery? Okay, so guys, let's look at question 5. The table below shows the color of purple cabbage juice when mixed with acidic, neutral, and alkaline solution. As you know, guys, our purple cabbage juice is an indicator. You remember indicator? So this guy will change color according to what you put it in, right? So it's originally purple. If it is acidic, it's red. If it is alkaline, it's more towards blue, right? So what are they asking for? So they already give you lah. If it's acidic, it's red. If it's alkaline, it's yellow. Huh? Why is it yellow? Okay, fine. You know what? Let's change this to blue. Okay, it's a bit error here. So, ASME uses purple cabbage juice as pH indicator to test a few substances. State the color of the purple cabbage juice in the table below. Right, so detergent. Detergent is alkaline or acidic, guys? Okay, it's blue, thank you. Because it's alkaline. What about pineapple juice? Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is sour, right? It's sour, right? So it's an acid, right? So you will see red. Okay, Okay, easy, So next B, ASME uses tree plants extract as pH indicator and his observation were recorded in the following table. Right, so he uses three things: green spinach, turmeric, and hibiscus. So let's look at green spinach first. Original color is green. When mixed with acid is yellowish green. Alkaline is yellowish green. So you can see this green spinach is kind of useless. It's kind of useless. Or both same color one. Okay. Turmeric, yellow originally. Mixed with acid, yellow. Mixed with alkaline, red. So these two same color. Right? So you cannot tell whether it's neutral or whether it's acidic. So it's kind of useless. Hibiscus, originally is dark red. Acid is red. Alkaline is green. So can you see hibiscus is the useful one? Because it shows you three different color. You will know something whether it's neutral or acidic or alkaline. Okay, that's the point. That's the point. If my indicator is showing same color all the pH, then what's the point of using it? Right? So based on the table above, which plant extract is the most suitable as indicator? I would use my hibiscus. Okay, justify your choice. Why are we using hibiscus? Because it shows different color at neutral, acidic, and alkaline. Oh, really? Okay, okay. Wow, cool. Okay, guys, you remember what is acidic and acid? Okay, I think Isabel, you asked this last week, right? What's the difference between acidic and acid? Acid is a thing. Acidic is how you describe something. Okay, you guys cool? You guys cool? This chapter is really important, guys. I wish to emphasize this again. Acid and alkaline is a very important chapter. You will see this in exam a lot. So C, give one use each for the following acid. Okay, sulfuric acid. What is this for? Did you learn this? Did you learn this? Oh yeah, you did, huh? Your sulfuric acid. This thing is in your car battery. Sulfuric acid is actually in your car battery. Okay, this is why when you change your car battery, you should always recycle it. Please don't throw it anywhere you want, because the acidic is actually quite the acid is quite dangerous for the environment. So it's not a very good thing lah. Okay, next, ascorbic acid. Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? Ascorbic acid is actually your vitamin C. It's another name for vitamin C, right? When you buy, let's say, those vitamin C supplement, they will say that vitamin C bracket ascorbic acid because it's the same thing. Okay, so each use of the following: slaked lime. This one I mentioned this last week. This is to neutralize acidic water or soil. Remember this? If you're a farmer and your plants keep dying because of the acid rain, you would put this onto your soil, into your soil, so that it neutralizes the acid and your plants will not die. Okay, you get what I mean? Next, magnesium hydroxide. This is your antacid, or you can say this is for gastric pain. Right? This is the thing you use to neutralize your stomach acid when you have gastric. And then sodium hydroxide, I told you this before. This is the soapy feeling thing. You use this to make soap. Okay, you use this to make soap. As I said before, if you are interested in making your own soap, you can actually go and buy this thing from Shopee. Okay, buy this from Shopee lah. There they sell this one. You can buy this and you can make your own soap. Oh, you tried that? You tried that, huh? You tried that, huh? It will make your gastric pain less, but it doesn't fully cure it. Okay, if that's the case, that means your gastric is quite serious already. Isabel, is your gastric very serious? Is your gastric very serious? Okay, guys, let me tell you about gastric, huh? Let me tell you about gastric, huh? Why do you feel the pain in your stomach? What is the gastric pain? When you have gastric pain, right? Okay, this is your stomach, huh? If you have gastric pain, that means inside there are ulcers. Okay, we call it stomach ulcer, right? That means if you neutralize the acid, the ulcer is still there. So technically, you would still feel painful. Okay, and let me say this, guys. Let me say this, if you eat your gastric medicine, okay, if you eat your gastric medicine, you are not curing the disease. You are just relieving the symptom. You are just making yourself feel better. The gastric is still there, right? To fully cure gastric, you have to fix your lifestyle. You have to eat at the correct time. You have to, okay, bigger cousin of mouth ulcer. Yeah, I would say so. But stomach ulcer is much more dangerous, lah. Okay, it's actually quite dangerous. Okay, anyone else here has gastric? Anyone else here has gastric? The correct way to fix gastric is to fix your lifestyle. You have no ways around it. You have to fix the way you eat. You have to change the way you eat. As in, if your stomach doesn't agree with chili, then you have to change the way chili. Things like that, right? Because gastric is like a lifestyle thing. Okay, you get what I mean? 改变你的生活习惯, change your lifestyle. This acid, this medicine thing, it only makes you feel better for now. Okay, it treats the symptom. It doesn't treat the cause, right? Like if you keep getting headache, yes, you can take Panadol, but the Panadol only makes you not feel the headache right now. What is the real reason, the real cause of the headache? You have to go and find it out. Okay, guys, be careful of gastric, because gastric is actually quite dangerous. Okay, anything to do with your stomach is actually quite dangerous. Okay, I mean, as in, it's very hard to treat. So number 6, The diagram shows a window cleaner containing ammonia. You know what is this? You know your Mr. Muscle thing, okay, the one you use to spray your window. That is ammonia. Is the cleaner acidic or alkaline? Okay, ammonia is an alkaline. Is alkaline. Prove your answer with a test. Okay, how do you test alkaline? The simplest, you can use litmus paper. It will turn red litmus paper blue. Right? Your blue litmus paper will turn, your red litmus paper will turn blue. That's your ammonia. Okay, so this is in your P, guys. This is in your P. Your P is actually alkaline. That means you can actually use your P to wipe your window. Okay, as I said before. So B, predict the pH value of the cleaner solution. Okay, what is this? Is this a weak or strong alkaline, guys? Is this a weak or strong alkaline? Yeah, annoying. Ammonia is annoying, I agree, because it smells bad. Is this weak or strong alkaline? Is it gonna be a pH 9 or is it gonna be a pH 14? Anyone? Anyone? Is it weak or strong alkaline? Is it weak or strong alkaline? When this touches your skin, does it hurt? No, it doesn't. It is a weak alkaline. All right, it is a weak alkaline. So I will put it around pH 9. Okay, because it is a weak alkaline. 很弱的碱性它没有到14这样强，它9不了。Okay, the higher you go, the stronger they are. Okay, so urea is it's a weak alkaline. No, it's not strong. It's not strong. I mean, if I use this to spray your face, it doesn't really hurt. I would say it doesn't hurt lah. It won't hurt at all. Your eyes kena water also hurt one lah, right? Okay, so it's a weak alkaline. I mean, this thing won't burn your skin, right? So C, why should we wear a glove when using the cleaner? Okay, because the cleaner is alkaline. So what will alkaline stuff do? Does it? Right, what does it do? It is corrosive. Okay, it is corrosive. So you're wearing the glove to protect your hand. Okay. Oh, okay, really? Okay, maybe. No, maybe alkaline just sounds very, 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 very professional. So they say, ooh, okay, something good. Nah, it's not really anything good. It's just normal stuff. Okay, so D, what should we do if we spill cleaner onto our skin? Okay, this is very common sense. You should rinse. Should I say rinse? Okay, let's just say we pour vinegar on it. Okay, or pour any acid on it. Why, guys? Why? Why pour vinegar on it? Why pour vinegar on it? Because vinegar is acidic. So what will this acid do to the alkaline? What will this acid do to the alkaline? Guys, are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? I feel like I'm answering my question myself. You're with me, You with me or not? Okay, so if the alkaline is acidic, what will it do? What will it do? Hello? Hello? What will the acid do? Destroy your skin? No, it doesn't. Because you kena this alkaline already. Why do we add acid on it? Because acid and alkaline, what they will do? What will the acid do to the alkaline? Understand? Understand? What will the acid do to the alkaline? We learned this last week. Yes, they neutralize. Very good. So the vinegar neutralizes the cleaner. 中和，碱性的东西中和酸性吗？ Yes, neutralize. Can. That's a new word. Yuning, Kevin, you guys okay? You guys okay? Where's Yunhan though? One girl is missing. Okay. Hey, why so quiet on y'all listening? Okay, good. I don't know. This week my student has been not just y'all everyone has not been paying attention. I don't know, is it whether this is the first week you guys full on study, or is it because of the weather? Which is it? Is it because you see last week you had 2 days of holiday ma? This is the full week you studied ma? Or you are in pain? Isabel, you tried the okay. Isabel, can I recommend you something? Can I recommend you something? You have gastric, right? You have gastric, right? You know what is this? Ota Isan. You know this thing? This is the best gastric medicine. My wife has been drinking this for years, and this is very good for gastric. You can get this from Shopee. Last time I have to buy this from Japan. I have to import this from Japan. It's an antacid, but it's a very effective antacid. You can try this. Okay, ask your parents to get for you. You screenshot this. It's called Ota Isan. It's a very famous Japanese antacid. You go Japan, this is all they eat. If you have gastric problem lah. Okay, and they come. Yeah, this works. This works very well. What? Yes, Ota Isan. I think you can get it from Shopee though. There, you see, you can get it from Shopee. I mean, it's not very cheap lah. Is it $55 for? Oh, this is the big pack one. Yeah, this is the big pack one. 48 packs there. So it's like around RM1 plus per pack. I think it's good. I think it's good. Okay. If you have gastric, right? If you have gastric, right, you should drink this every day because it helps a lot. It helps a lot. My wife, not to say cure her gastric lah. My wife's gastric has not been returning after she drank this. You can try. Okay, you can try. If this doesn't work, if this doesn't work, I suggest you go for a doctor. Go to a gastrointestinal specialist. That means the doctor that checks on your digestive system. They might need to do some tests on you because you might have something funny living inside your stomach. Okay, you might have some kind of virus living in your stomach, which could cause you that pain. Okay, I hope not. Oh, is it? So what did the doctor say? What did the doctor say? Did she say that you have anything? It's not tapeworm lah, hello. It's bad, huh? It's bad. Do your parents have it? Do your parents have it? If your parents have, oh, okay, no wonder. So it's a genetic gastric lah. I see. Okay, go check this out. Go check this out. This Ota Isan works very well. Okay. Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. I have uh genetic bad skin. Genetically bad skin. I will easily get skin allergy. Okay? Not just those allergy you see red, like you have to go hospital one, those kind of allergy. I know what you feel. Right? Sometimes like it's like you didn't ask for it, but somehow you just have it. What to do, it just happens. Right? Switch off the song lah. Okay. Right, so 7. Jasmine bought a pack of lemon juice from the shop. Describe a simple test that Jasmine could do to test the pH of the lemon juice and write down her observation. Right. They want pH. You cannot use litmus paper here. Okay. You cannot use litmus paper. So what do you use here? What do you use here? What's golden shower? You know, golden shower means a different thing, right? Okay. Anyway. So how do you test the pH? How do you test the pH? pH, you need to use something called a universal indicator. Please don't say litmus paper. Litmus paper is useless. Like I said, litmus paper only shows you whether something is acidic or alkaline. It doesn't show you the pH. It's useless. So what about the observation? Lemon juice is acidic, right? So it will turn. It will turn. What color does it turn? Guys, what color does it turn to? You have the beginning of the rainbow. Remember? Remember this? You have the beginning of the rainbow. right? Because it's acidic here, right? So you will see red color. Okay, red color, it will turn red. Okay, don't use litmus paper. I mean, you are in secondary school already. In very little case, they will accept litmus paper. So you can ignore this answer. You can forget litmus paper because litmus paper will never work, right? Because it's too easy. Okay, next B. She adds salt to her lemon juice. Explain why adding salt can reduce the sour taste of the lemon juice. Oh, very good question here. Why adding salt can reduce? Because salt is neutral. Okay, salt is neutral. I mean, salt is not alkaline. Salt is neutral unless you add an alkaline salt, right? So what will salt do? It will reduce the acidity of lemon juice, right? If something is sour, you add something neutral to it, like water, you'll make it less sour, right? But the best would be add alkaline lah. But I don't think you can add alkaline. I don't think anyone will add alkaline to their lemon juice because it would be awful, right? But you get the point. C1, explain why drinking. Guys, am I going too fast? If I'm going too fast, you let me know, huh? Neutralize the acid level. If you write neutralize, then you must say the salt is alkaline. Okay, guys, this is sort of an out of syllabus question because we don't put neutral stuff to our acid. Okay, I will accept that. I will accept that. I would accept that. So C1, explain why drinking too much lemon juice may be bad for her teeth. That's a very good question. Hey, this goes true for you too. Guys, don't drink something sour. If you have to drink lemon juice, use a straw. Never let it touch your teeth. You know why? Very good. High acid level. Our teeth is alkaline. Okay? So or you can say that, okay, so you can say lemon juice is acidic. It will corrode her teeth. Right? Because acid is corrosive, right? Acid is corrosive, 腐蚀性，酸性会腐蚀你的东西。It's corrosive. Okay? So we don't let this touch our teeth. Try to use a straw. Okay, guys, I know it sounds funny. Hey, you know what they say, You know what is apple cider vinegar? You know what is apple cider vinegar? They say apple cider vinegar is good for health, right? Which is true, right? Which is true. Apple cider vinegar helps a lot in reducing weight. If you want to lose weight, apple cider vinegar helps, right? But don't drink your apple cider vinegar like this, because it's very sour. It will corrode your teeth. Drink it using a straw. Okay, use a straw. So number 2, what would you suggest to her to do after drinking the lemon juice? What should she do if she really does this lah? She should brush her teeth using toothpaste. Right, guys? Toothpaste is the keyword. You don't just say brush your teeth. Okay, when we say brush our teeth, we know we are using toothpaste already. But you specifically mention your toothpaste. Okay, why? Because alkaline toothpaste neutralizes the acidic lemon juice. Okay, can I? It will neutralize the lemon juice, so it will make the lemon juice, not corrode the teeth. Right, next, number 8. Experiment to show the reaction between acid and alkaline. Right, guys, what is this thing called? The reaction is called neutralization. What about this experiment? What is this experiment called? Do you remember this? Do you remember this? The dripping one. So the name of the reaction is what we call neutralization. 综合 neutralization. That's the reaction's name. Okay, the reaction's name. The method, what you're doing right here This is what we call titration. Okay, titration. Guys, do you know what's the meaning of titrate? Do you know what is the meaning of titrate? Titrate means you slowly increase or you slowly add. Okay, you slowly add, you titrate. That means, okay, if you, okay, you know fish oil? You know fish oil? Okay, if you buy like high strength fish oil, they say you can eat like 6 per day. Okay? If this kind of, no lah, no day on this is very easy. Okay, so guys, I'll teach you until you score. Okay, so you know fish oil, fish oil is very good, ma. You can eat 6 per day, but you don't just straight away buy and you eat 6 because you will get diarrhea. You get diarrhea. So what do? You start with 1 and you slowly titrate up the dose. You get what I mean? You get what I mean? You start from 1, then after 1 week you increase to 2, you slowly titrate your dose up. That's the meaning of titrate. That's why you slowly add acid to the alkaline. We call it titration because we slowly add to the alkaline. So guys, let me repeat again. The reaction is called neutralization. The method, what you are doing here is titration. Oh, you eat fish oil as well? 1 is 2 liter lah. I eat like 6 leh. I eat 6 leh. Very good for the brain though. 6 is very good for the brain. Where got? Okay, guys. Wow, I'm selling a product now. Okay, guys, get this fish oil. It's really cheap. Get it from Shopee. Really cheap, this brand. Okay, really cheap. I eat this one. Okay, I eat like 6 per day because it's very good for your joint, very good for your heart, very good for your brain too. Oh, black moss is very expensive. This is half the price. This is half the price. Black moss is really expensive. I don't like it. Right? This is also from Australia. Why not use something cheaper? It's the same. It's the same. Right? So get this from Shopee. Go tell your parents. Okay, get this from Shopee. It's half the price, so you can eat twice more. Guys, do you want to keep your brain healthy for the longest time? Fish oil is your friend. Okay, fish oil is your friend. This is better. Go tell her this is better. Coming from a science teacher. Okay, this is better. I eat this one. Right? I mean, fish oil is fish oil lah. You just eat whatever the cheapest will do. Right? No, if you don't eat your fish oil, you will get Alzheimer at a very early age. Okay, not really lah, but you have a risk of that lah. So fish oil helps a lot. Okay, guys, do you have bad skin? Do you have bad skin? Do you have pimples? Fish oil helps. Do you have painful joint? Fish oil helps. Fish oil even helps your mood. Right? If you feel sad, if you have depression, fish oil can, not to say cure lah, but it helps with the depression. No, you don't. Right. So see, what is the color of the universal indicator before and after it is added to the sodium hydroxide solution? Guys, before adding, I see, here's the trick. It's not like they put it here, then they add here. No. What's the original color of universal indicator? What's the original color? No, it's not rainbow. It is neutral in the beginning. What's the color of neutral? What's the color of neutral? Your rainbow color, who's in the middle? Very good. That's your green. Right? When I add to the sodium hydroxide, this is alkaline. You remember this is your soap? Well, what will it turn to? What's the other end? Black moss so 10K from your mom, right? Yes, it will turn purple. Very good. It will turn purple. So acid 0 is the beginning, it's red. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Violet is the last, so purple. Purple is the last. Can rainbow color. Universal indicator is rainbow color one. So what are the products of the experiment? You will get salt and water. Remember, I mentioned this last week. When you do neutralization, when you add acid and alkaline, you will get salt and water. That means when you brush your teeth, okay, your dirty teeth is acid, your toothpaste is alkaline. So after you brush your teeth, inside your mouth will have salt and water. I mean, you can't taste anything lah. It's because it's very little. Okay. So what is the taste of the neutral solution at the end of the experiment? What is the taste of this? What is the taste of this? It's not acidic already, so it's not sour already. It is not alkaline, not bitter already. So it should taste, yes, salty. Salty. Give a reason for your answer, because salt is produced. Right? We produce salt when we neutralize. Okay, you guys okay? You guys okay? You think are you okay? You think are you okay? This is a bit technical, guys. This is like consider difficult for you already. So if you're not okay, please let me know. I'll repeat this for you. So number 3, how do you know that the hydrochloric acid has neutralized the solution? That what am I saying? Has neutralized the sodium hydroxide. How do you know this thing is neutral? How do you know this thing is neutral, guys? How do you know? How do you know when it's time to stop? How do you know this thing already neutral? It will go from purple, because this is alkaline, right? This is purple, right? It will turn to, yeah, sure, go. Yes, it will turn green. Very good. The solution turns green. Right? That means it's time to stop. When you see green, that means, oh, done. Stop. Time to stop. Right? Next, F. Explain the experiment in the diagram above. What's there to explain? So you have acid reacts with alkaline. This thing will form salt and water. Okay, this is a stupid question. We skip G also. You don't learn the word equation. Right? You guys okay? I know this is boring stuff lah. Chemistry is not as interesting as your bio stuff, but hey, this will be easier for your exam. Usually, right? So this is usually easier. So next, our stomach excretes hydrochloric acid to help digestion. This is why you are in pain as well. So state another effect of hydrochloric acid on the stomach. Oh, this is actually year 8. Right, so what is the effect of hydrochloric acid? You can say it's corrosive. It's corroding your stomach. That's why you feel painful. Stand biology for life. When you are in exam, you wouldn't say so. Because you see, chemistry is very boring. Yes, I know. But can you see the answers are very short? Can you see the answers are very short? Biology is not this case. Biology, you need to explain like long-ass answers. So be careful what you wish for. Okay, next. Yeah, what's up? What's up? Okay, B. Teacher Ahmad experiences gastric pain while teaching in the classroom. No biology for life. I mean, I love studying biology lah, but you know, biology is the subject I suck the most at. I suck badly as biology. I mean, not suck per se lah, not as in I fail lah. I still get A. I still got A for my biology, but among all the 3 subjects, biology is the one that I spend the most time, and it's the least rewarding. Hate it. That's why I don't study. My major in my university is nothing to do with bio. I went for engineering. Now read not really though. Not really though. I mean, watch some of his video, but not really. Yeah, why? What's up? What's up? Yeah, biology is not really my stuff lah, because it's very 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 long-winded. I don't like to explain stuff long one. Right. So teacher Ahmad experiences gastric pain, gastritis. You see, this is what you have. We call it gastric pain lah, but the real the scientific name of the disease is called gastritis. Okay, guys, let me tell you something. Next time, whenever you see the word itis, that means it's an inflammation. 发炎 as in 肿 swelling, right? When you see itis, you know it's swelling, right? You know what's your skin? You know your skin, right? You know your skin? When you go and see a skin doctor, it's called a dermatologist, right? Dermatologist. So if your skin is swollen, we call it dermatitis. Dermatitis, because it's your skin swollen, right? You have tonsillitis. You know where is the tonsil? I just bit my tongue shit. Okay, you know what's a tonsil? You know what's a tonsil? That two. You know, whenever you go to the clinic, the doctor asks you to go, your tonsil. That's your tonsil, right? So if your tonsil is swollen, we call it tonsillitis. Usually when you get fever, you should get this one. Get your tonsil will be swollen. Yeah, man, HKC like that, man. I didn't know that. So all the itis is so. You know what is arthritis? Come on, I tell you the last one. You know it's arthritis. When you old, you should get one. You know it's arthritis. I'm sure your grandpa, grandma got one. What if you don't get? That means you are dead. What is arthritis? Arthritis is painful joint, swollen joint. I'm sure your grandpa, grandma will say, wow, back pain, knee pain, elbow pain, shoulder pain. Sure got one. Right? I mean, not to say don't have lah, but if you ask her to walk long distance, she will feel painful. That is arthritis. Sure got one. Because you see, when we are old, our joint is already used up, it's already worn. So gastritis. Okay, so next, gastritis is a pain or tension that occurs in the abdomen. Abdomen is your stomach here. The symptoms are caused by inflammation, as I said, or irritation on the surface of the stomach due to excessive acid. So Isabel, this is what happened to you. What did she suggest? Is she Isabel? Is she? you, you... Okay, so number one, in your opinion, how can gastric medication reduce gastric pain? As I said, the gastric medicine, it is alkaline. What will it do? It will neutralize your stomach acid. If your grandma is a gymnast, if let's say guys, do you know athletes they will get arthritis at an earlier age. Let's say normal people, right, at 60 only you get arthritis, athletes will get it at 50. Yeah, because you see, they practice every day. It's imagine the wear and tear on their joint, right? If you are just a nobody, okay, you don't play badminton for a career, maybe you play it once a week, your joint, of course, it feels good. But you see, like Lee Chong Wei, or anyone for that matter, they practice badminton like daily. They play for like 5-6 hours per day. Do you think it's good for your joint? Of course it's not, right? So athletes, they will get bad joint at a very young age. Say bye to your athlete, man. You athlete, what do you play? Okay, so number two, suggest an alternative to reduce gastric symptom of teacher Ahmad. So what can he do? Okay, if he doesn't want to take gastric medicine, what can he do? Belay, Okay. Belay, you'll get painful joint, especially your ankle. Right? That's why, okay, I will say this Belay is still not that bad because it's not a high impact sport. Do you have a high impact in Belay? Not really, right? I mean, most of the stress is on your legs. It's on your ankle. Still okay. It's French, it's ballet, not ballet. Ballet. What's ballet? Okay, high impact sport. Let's say if you play football, that you need to run and high impact one, you will get painful joint very early on. Belay is still okay. Belay is still okay. So you'll be fine. Right? So what else can he do? If teacher Amma say he doesn't want gastric medicine, what can he do? What can he do? What can he drink? Pay the doctor a visit? No, I wouldn't accept. That means they want the alternative to gastric medicine. What can he drink? Something bitter, right? Something alkaline, right? I would say bitter gourd juice. Right? Because it's alkaline, what? Guys, I don't accept drink soap here. Please don't be dumb. Sir, can I drink soap to neutralize my stomach acid? You can. What's so bad about bitter gourd juice? What's so bad about bitter gourd juice? Hey, guys, bitter gourd juice is very healthy. I mean, yeah, it's a bit disgusting, but I mean, it's not as bad as you think, right? Do you eat bitter gourd, Isabel? I mean, I used to hate it. But yeah, after that, like when I grew up, oh, that means you don't. You know what, Isabel? I was just like you. When I was your age, I was thinking, how the hell can people drink beer? How can people drink coffee? Because it's so bitter. But now bitter is my thing, right? I drink black coffee. I drink whiskey. Oh, whiskey is freaking awesome. Hey, coffee as in black, Americano, as in no sugar one, Oh, you okay, What's wrong with kids nowadays? Why are you guys drinking coffee so early? My goodness. Right, so B. Indigestion occurs when excess acid is present in the stomach. To relieve the pain caused by the indigestion, we take indigestion tablets. Mark with the correct function. So what does it do? It will neutralize the acid. Okay? Tea also okay lah. Tea also okay lah. Isabel, have you tried beer? I mean, it's not, you shouldn't drink at your age lah. Have you tried beer? Okay. I don't think you will like it because it's bitter. Right, so it also reduces the acidity. Okay, there's one more answer here, sorry, missing here. So C, some indigestion remedies contain magnesium hydroxide, as I said just now. What substances are formed when, skip this. This is sort of our syllabus. Okay, don't care. Teh tarik is sweet. You want to drink black tea, as in the tea without sugar. Right, so now you are stung by a bee. Okay, a bee sting. Okay, guys, bee sting is acidic or alkaline? I mentioned this last week. Needful sentence, yes, needful sentence. I'm giving you point form because I want to make your life easier. You put it full sentence in your exam. Okay, must full sentence. Please don't give it in point form. Point form is not accepted. Point form will be wrong. Okay, point form will be wrong. Okay, guys, bee sting is acidic or alkaline? Bee sting is acidic or alkaline? It's different from wasp. I don't need to say in your opinion. Just straight away give the answer. This is not English. You don't need to say, besides that, more than that. No. Straight away give the answer. As long as you are grammatically, I wouldn't say grammatically correct is very important lah, but try to lor. But if it's not very correct, then it's fine too. As long as your keyword is there. Okay, so guys, A, B is acidic or alkaline. If you got stung by a bee, you ready? You are the insect expert here. Come. Bee sting is acid or alkaline? You sure me? Wait, I mentioned this last week lah. Bee sting is acidic. Wasp is alkaline, right? Okay, how do you remember this? Bees get you honey. Honey is slightly sour, right? Do you eat soap? No. You don't mess with wasps because they're freaking disgusting. Okay, you don't mess with soap. You don't eat soap, right? So they put toothpaste on the wound. In your opinion, why is toothpaste applied to the area of the bee sting? Because toothpaste is it's alkaline. What will it do? It will neutralize your acidic bee sting. Okay, it will neutralize acidic bee sting. Right? So that's it for our acid and alkaline chapter. Right? Are you guys okay? Kaiwan, Yuning? Yuning, are you there? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, cool. Thanks for answering. Why you? I put my PC speaker at my at 100 volume. I was like, ooh. Oh shit! I scared myself. All right, so guys, if you need to rewatch this chapter, if you want the video for this chapter, come and get it from me. You can watch it for a few times to get yourself familiar. Right, guys. If it's exam, let's say next week or next week, if you want the videos, or you say, sir, I'm just too lazy to revise on my own, get my video lah, watch my video and revise. Just treat it like an audio book. Like, what's a podcast? You just imagine you're listening to a podcast. Okay, I will send it to you. It's free, right? I mean, you paid for the lesson, right? I will send a video, any video you want, right? If it helps you. How can you ask? WhatsApp me lah. WhatsApp me. Guys, if you need any video, come WhatsApp me. Oh, sir, I need video for chapter 2. Come and ask me. I'll send it to you. Right? Because I know some of you very lazy to revise one. Maybe you get my video. Hopefully, my voice makes you feel a bit calmer. I hope. I sure hope. Right? So come get video from me if it helps. Okay, anything, or you can come and ask me any question you want if it helps. You're gonna stop me. How can you stop me with the phone number, leh? How can you stop me with the phone number? And I give you my IG also. You want to come find me at IG also. Okay. Right. Anyway, we are in chapter 8. We have finished our chemistry. What's my account name? That's a good question though. What's my account name? Hang on. What's my account name? I think it's Eddie CF Low or something. Oh shit, I don't even know my account name. What the hell? Oh, it's Eddie Low 91. It's Eddie Low 91. My name Eddie Low. Okay, 91. Right, as in 91. Right, guys. We are in Earth. We're in Earth. EDD. Not E-die. It's Eddie. Oi, why is there a die there? Right. So guys, we are learning about Earth. Chapter 8. I mean, we have like 10 minutes left. See what you can go to. Oh, guys, by the way, we finished our chemistry stuff. This is physics. Okay, it's a bit chemistry also because we'll be learning about stones. Woo, rocks. Guys, we'll be learning about rocks. I freaking love this chapter because this is very interesting. So guys, let's talk about Earth. Let's talk about Earth. Ew, what the hell is that? You read why is that a worm? Yeah. Yeah. Freaking caterpillar is disgusting. Oh, hey, you found me. Wow, you purposefully screenshot this. Wow. Thank you. Okay, so come. Let's talk about the Earth. Right? So the Earth is a rocky planet. Do you know what is a rocky planet? Do you know what is a rocky planet? Okay, guys, all our planets our Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, the front 4 planets are what we call rocky planets. That means you can stand on them. You can go to Mercury and stand there. I mean, it's very hot but you can stand there. You can go to Venus and stand there. You can stand on Earth. You can go to Mars and stand there. All these planets you can stand on. These 4, we call them gas giant. Okay, they are the big boys. Okay, the big boys. Okay, very big in size, and they are gas. Right, they are gas. You cannot stand on that. You don't just say, oh, sir, can I go to Jupiter and stand there? You can't stand there. It's a ball of gas, right? You know what's going to happen if you fly to Jupiter? It's going to like, you just fly through the thing. It's like a freaking cloud. You cannot stand on it, right? Yeah. The worksheet cover looks like a buzz. What? What's a bazaar? What's a bazaar cover? I thought it's supposed to look like a magazine, right? Yeah, magazine lah. Why bazaar? Bazaar is a place where you get your food, right? Really? Bazaar is is there such thing? Bazaar magazine. Got such thing, meh? Oh, got such thing, ah? Oh, really? Oh, wow. Okay. I mean, I wouldn't know lah. Right? You see, it's all girls here. If I know this, it will make me look very gay, isn't it? Right. How do I know? Okay, Mary Claire, I know lah. Is it Mary Claire? Is it Mary Claire? How would I know? Right? What do you expect me to know? I know how to put eyeliner on. Come on. Right, so really? Vogue I know. Vogue I know. But I really don't know eh. Oh shit, I sound like a uncultured swine right now. Right, so guys, the Earth and the Sun is formed from a huge explosion called the Big Bang. You know what's the Big Bang? You know what's the Big Bang? Guys, are you guys? Oh, you guys are considered Gen Z, isn't it? Oh, you guys are Zoomers, huh? Right. So, you know what's the Big Bang? Big Bang is how this universe come to be, right? There was a bang, and then there was the universe. Okay, there is a universe, and then there's everything. So that's the Big Bang, right, guys? No, I'm a millennial. Hello, you have Gen X and you have Gen Y. You have the millennials, and you have okay generations. Okay, generations. Right. So see which one are you? Which one are you? Right. Okay, you see? Okay, first of all, you have 1946 to 1964. Those are boomers. You know lah, boomers lah, right? Okay, boomer, are those the boomer. And then you have your Gen X. Okay, Gen X is like 60 something to 79. I'm sure your parents are Gen X. Okay, your parents are Gen X. Or maybe your parents is a Gen Y, Gen Y or millennial. Gen Y is more towards like 80s. 80s. I'm an early 90s kid. I'm an early 90s kid. I was born in 91, so I'm a millennial, right? And you guys are Zoomers lah. Okay. How is GI? You'll be surprised though. Wait, 100 years old lor. Yes, I'm 32. Wow, quick maths. Wow, so fast, your maths. Wow, very good. Guys, honest question, do I look like 32 to you? Do I look like 32 to you? Many students say I lie to them. They say, sir, how can I be 32? I mean, if I shave lah, I mean with the beard on, I look like 32 lah. I look like 39. I see. Okay. Because I keep myself well. You're welcome. Right. So guys, you know, many Americans they don't know this. Many Americans they don't know this. The sun is a star. Right? You guys know this, huh? The sun is a star, huh? It's just that the sun is very near to us. That's why we see it very big. The stars that we see, they are very small because they are very far away. Okay? I mean, what to be so surprised of, lah, right? The Americans, they think that the Americans, they think that, hey guys, this is not joking, part of the Americans, it was a statistic. They still believe that white milk comes from white cow and chocolate milk comes from a brown cow. Okay, guys, I shit you not. Go and look it up. It's part of the statistics. I worry for the future, right? You have people like that. Hence, they refuse to take vaccines, lah. Guys, you know what's the vaccine take-up rate in America? It's like 50%. Only half of them are vaccinated because they believe that the vaccine is fake. It's a conspiracy for the government to spy on them. The imagination, you see. Okay, right. Wow, what you realize why you suddenly talk about atheists? Okay, so the sun is a star. A star emits light and heat energy. As long as you emit light and heat, you are considered as a star. Guys, I have a question. Is the sun a solid, a liquid, or a gas? What is it? Is the sun or solid a sun a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Yeah, they think that too. You read this one, I know. Is that a solid, liquid, or a gas? Anyone? Anyone? Gas. Okay, guys, the sun is a burning gas. We don't call it gas. We call it plasma. This is the fourth state of matter. Right? And then this is, you know your plasma lamp? So this is, the sun is your plasma. You know the electricity, the Z, the Z, that's the plasma. So the sun is a plasma. Ooh. The more you know, it's the fourth state of matter. All right, so the sun is a plasma. So a star is formed when a cloud of dust, we call it nebula, comes together due to gravity. Right, you see, a cloud of dust is called nebula. When they come together, there will be gravity, 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 pop, fire. Star, nebula. Okay, nebula. This is a very cool name. You guys watch Avengers? Okay, you know who's Nebula? Right? Yeah, it's not that fast. I mean, the whole thing I just described could take like 1,000,000 years. Right? Like it's really slow. Yeah, there are millions of stars. Okay, if you ask me, sir, how many stars are there in the universe? It's the same as the amount of sand in the world. How many grains of sand do you have in the world? You can't count it, right? It's so many. Same. You have that many stars in the universe. Right? So again, nebula, pressure. It's so big pressure. I'm gonna burn. Pop, burn. Wow, so easy, right? So that is your star, right? So that is your star. Okay, when the temperature and pressure becomes great, I see very big pressure and temperature, nuclear fusion starts. What is a nuclear fusion? I'll tell you that next week. The process converts hydrogen into helium and creates large amount of light and heat. Okay, so this is a nuclear fusion. Okay, 4 solar masses of gas condensing to star each year. That's just the Milky Way though. Hey guys, you have to know, the Milky Way is just a very small part of the universe. It's just a very tiny galaxy. Okay? Yeah, exactly. Right? So we are really, really small. You know, where do you find all these? You don't tell me you purposely go and Google, Well, you're very free like you. Okay, guys, I think I'll stop here. That makes a very good logo for Gai Fan. Okay, if I see my Gai Fan says holy fuck, I will eat it. Okay, guys, I think I will stop here. I hope we learned something new today. Next week, we'll be talking about rocks. Okay, you have your baby rock, your papa rock, and your grandpa rock. Woo, what is that, right? Okay, I'll talk about this next week. Okay, so I hope you guys learn something new today. Guys, if you need any video replays from me, please come and get it from me. I will send it to you, absolutely no problem. Okay, yes, the rock. Okay, so guys, have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. I will see you next Friday. Okay, have a good one. See you soon. Take care. Good night. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye bye.